this video you can learn how to make a simple mesh stitch, which is a nice piece of fabric if you want to make beachwear or shopping bags, hammocky type basket things, pot holders, whatever you want really. So let's get started. So we're going to be working in an odd number plus 3. So we're going to say 17 plus 3, which is 20. So we're going to make a slip knot and then chain 20. And 20. So we're going to be using US doubles, UK trebles, and we're going to make our first stitch in the 6th chain from the hook. So we're going to skip 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm going to be working in that number 6. Yeah, so go over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. We're then going to chain 1, we're going to skip a chain, and we're going to make another stitch in the next chain. And that's our repeat. So we're going to go all the way along this foundation chain, skip chain 1, skip a chain, and then make a stitch. Yeah. So I shall see you at the end of this row. So at the end of the row, you should be making a stitch in that last chain. And then you should have 8 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We're going to chain 4. That's going to count as our first stitch. We're going to turn our work and we're going to make a stitch in the second stitch. Yeah. We're then going to chain 1, skip that chain space and go into the next stitch. Chain 1, skip the chain space and go into the next stitch. And we're going to go all the way along like so. And I'll see you at the end of the round. End of the row, sorry. So when we get to the end, we're going to chain 1 and you're going to make a stitch into the chain space. Yeah. You can go into the actual chain if you want to make it more secure. We're then going to chain 4, turn your work and start the same as we did the last round. So you're going to skip that chain space and go into the second stitch, yeah, because that chain counts as the first stitch. Chain 1 and go into the next stitch. And just make your sample as big as you want. And I'll see you in the next video.